It's Karen and welcome to another Throwback Thursday. This time I'm using some papers from an old Christmas pack. It's the one with the music in it. Hang on, I've just found the paper pack and it is called Merry Music Specialty Designer Paper. Now this one, there's 24 sheets in the pack. It's 4 sheets of 3 patterns, I think, or is it 6 sheets of 3 patterns? I know there's only a couple of patterns of each one, but they're all Christmas music. Anyway, it's on the discontinued rack, and I didn't have any musical paper, and I wanted some. And I figure, well, as long as it's being hidden behind something else, you're not going to see the words, all you're going to see is the musical notes. And I think this looks really special. I hope you can see that. I don't know whether it's focusing properly. Let's see if we can do it that way. Whee! Anyway, I think it looks nice. What do you think? And this is the card for today's Thursday Throwback. So we'll bring in all the bits and pieces. Now, ahead of time, I went and cut out my butterfly. Now this is why, another reason this is a Throwback Thursday, is because we're saying goodbye to the butterfly Thinlits and the bold butterfly framelits dies. If you don't have them and you would like to have them, get in now, because they will not be available come June. They're no longer going to be in our catalogue, and they are in the get them while they last pile at the moment. I love these dies. I will not stop using them. So there is, from memory, another butterfly Thinlit in a set that's being released, if memory serves. Otherwise, we don't have any butterfly punches or anything. So if you really like these Thinlits, get them while they last. Okay, this is another really easy card. It's a top fold. I'm going to do the inside first so that we've got that, and the outside at the back. So I'm going to bring in my Memento Tuxedo Black, and I'm going to stamp my little bizwas on the back there. There we go. Give it a bit of a blow and hope that it's not going to smear everywhere. Okay, so we've got that bit done on the back, and now we're going to stamp the sentiment inside. And since the outside's going to say thank you, I've put for your kindness, and then your thoughtfulness brightened my day. I think that looks really nice. And then just to finish it off on the inside, I'm going to bring in my Papillon Potpourri butterfly, stamp it off, and then stamp it on the inside like that. And once again, Papillon Potpourri. So, yeah. They're saying goodbye to all of my favourites. It's not fair. Okay, so we'll move on to the front of the card. As I said, this is a really easy card to put together. I'm going to bring in my big thank you from my Daisy Delight stamp set. And I'm just going to pop that on the front there. Beautiful. Remember, when you're stamping with Memento or StazOn, to give it a bit of a twist and then pat it. And always store your pads upside down so that the ink stays on the top of the pad. Okay, bring in our paper, and I'm just going to cover that with snail and pop that. Whoops, what's going on there? Oh, I've cut the paper too small. Yes, it's 1/4 inch too small, so we will set that aside for a moment. And we will bring in the paper trimmer. I don't know how that happened. All measurements can be found on my blog. This should be 2 3/4. No, it's supposed to be 3 inches by 3 inches. Pardon me. And I don't think that's the right colour. No, it's not. I don't know whether you remembered me mentioning a couple of weeks ago that I was filming a stack of videos so that I can concentrate on my daughter's wedding invitations. Well, this is part of that collection that I filmed. So I have cards and paper and ephemera laying all over my desk at the moment so that I can just grab stuff and keep going. I only stop when my memory card gets too full, and then I go and put it on the computer and come back here and start filming again. I've had a full day of filming so far. Okay, so we've got those done, and take the backings off. Any music you can hear is from my daughter. She's singing and wailing away in the next room. I'm hoping that while she's wailing away and listening to BTS, she's also doing her homework. Faint hope, I know, but we do live in hope. Okay, now just put a little bit of... Actually, I might just put glue dots on. She's also talking to friends online as well, probably in the States, knowing Missy. Or it could be Korea, you never know. Okay. I'm looking for my black pearls. Here they are. And we're going to put a large one at the top of the butterfly. I'm going to put a medium one in the upper body and down in his tail. The third one, which is the smallest. So that's those. And just for some added interest, a medium pearl there. No, sorry, that's a small one. Another small one here and a medium next to him. Just to bring some more attention down there. And that's our card for the day. How simple was that? The card we started with, our sample card. Just flip him up a bit like so. That's our sample card. And there's the card that I've made today, and the inside, I actually prefer that inside. But that's the card for today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it's been fairly quick for you. Yeah, join me on Sunday for another Flips and Folds. And until then, bye-bye.